My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Bmw X2. This vehicle has done 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access notifications, my vehicle and connected drive, navigation, communication, and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between sport mode, comfort mode, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.